Did The Simpsons predict the future? Again? In the year 2025, Los Angeles faces a catastrophic wildfire. But could this disaster have been foretold by a certain animated family over a decade ago?
The Simpsons, a show that's been running for over 30 years, famous for its quirky humor, unforgettable characters, and eerily accurate predictions of the future. But what if their next set of predictions is even darker than we've seen before? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the possibility that The Simpsons may have predicted World War III, the return of Donald Trump as president, a catastrophic environmental disaster, and even the end of the world. Oh, and let's not forget the potential dystopian nightmare of virtual reality gone too far. Prediction 1. Los Angeles. Los Angeles, a city of dreams, has also been a city of disasters in The Simpsons. In multiple episodes, we see images of the city engulfed in flames, mirroring the increasingly severe wildfire seasons in real life. With climate change accelerating, California's wildfires have become more intense and frequent. Could The Simpsons have been warning us about a fiery future for LA? Wildfires in Los Angeles aren't just a seasonal problem, they're a growing crisis, and The Simpsons' fiery imagery may be a stark reminder of what's at stake. Prediction 2. World War III. Let's start with the big one. World War III. In Season 25, Episode 9, there's a scene where a newspaper headline reads, World War III ? What's the worst that could happen? While this is clearly a joke, it's not the first time The Simpsons have toyed with the idea of global conflict. The show's satirical take on political tensions eerily mirrors real-world events. Could this be a warning of a looming global crisis? With rising global tensions in the real world, could this joke be less of a gag and more of a grim prediction? Prediction 3. Donald Trump as president again. The Simpsons famously predicted Donald Trump's presidency way back in the year 2000, and now, with Trump already announcing his candidacy for 2024, could they have also predicted his return to the White House? In Season 11, Episode 17, Lisa mentions inheriting a budget crunch from President Trump. Could this be a subtle hint that his presidency was more than a one-time occurrence? Whether you love him or hate him, the possibility of Trump 2.0 is a storyline straight out of The Simpsons playbook. Prediction 4. A huge environmental disaster. Remember the classic episodes where Homer's incompetence causes chaos at the Springfield nuclear plant? Well, some fans think these episodes could be a warning. With climate change and industrial accidents becoming increasingly frequent, could Homer's antics foreshadow a real-life environmental catastrophe? From oil spills to factory fires, the parallels are unsettling. Are we closer to a man-made disaster than we think? Prediction 5. The end of the world. The Simpsons have hinted at the apocalypse multiple times. From Springfield's skies turning red to zombie invasions, they've explored every end-of-the-world scenario imaginable. But what if their wild imagination isn't so far-fetched? With everything from pandemics to natural disasters, are these episodes merely jokes or prophetic warnings? It might sound crazy, but maybe The Simpsons are telling us to prepare for the worst. So, are these just coincidences, or is there something more to The Simpsons' uncanny ability to predict the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and remember, The Simpsons might just have the answers to what comes next. Until then, stay safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.